Welcome back to the emngee channel. My name is Monday, and in today's video I'm going to be making an easy vegan crab cake recipe for you guys. So let's get started.
What we do here is go back.
Okay, so we're just going to start off with the first ingredients. It's hearts of palm. I rinsed it out of the can and chopped it up into little pieces. I did keep a little bit of texture on them, and that is how they look like. Then I'm just going to add a little bit of protein to my crab cakes with some garbanzo beans. You can use some dried ones. I'm using canned ones today, and I'm just going to rinse and drain them and use about half of this can and just smash it with a fork and add that to my mixture as well. Next, I'm just going to use some vegan mayo, about 2 dollops of it. Some seaweed snacks. I usually have some large nori sheets, but I didn't have any at the time, so I just bought these little snacks at Target. And I'm just going to break up some pieces in my hand just so the seaweed snacks can give like a little, it can give like a fishy taste to it. Next, I'm just going to use my favorite crackers. I love these crackers. These are just a breadcrumb substitute. I'm just going to take a few of the crackers and just crush them in my hands and put them in the mixture. Next, I'm just going to use about 2 teaspoons of Old Bay seasoning, some crushed black pepper, some sea salt, some onion powder, and some minced garlic. I used about 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, vegan, and I'm also using 3 sprigs of green onion and a little bit of parsley as well. I'm just going to take my mini grater, how cute is that, zest a little bit of lemon, and then I'm just going to use half of lemon and just juice half of that. So I don't juice that whole half. I only juice half of that half, if that makes any sense. Then I'm also just going to take about 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of chickpea flour and add it to the mixture. Then you're just going to mix everything together, put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes to an hour, just so that mixture can set and it'll be easier to manipulate when you have to shape the crab cakes. So about after an hour, I'm just going to start shaping the crab cakes. I did crush up some more of those crackers, and I also added some breadcrumbs with that. So I'm just taking a large cookie scoop like that, and I'm just going to shape them, and then I'm just going to coat the crab cakes in the breadcrumb / cracker mixture. Now we're just going to fry the crab cakes. It took me about maybe 4 to 5 minutes on each side to cook them thoroughly, depending on how small or big you make your crab cakes. So just kind of look out for that. Then you're just going to put them on a cooling rack and cook the rest of them up, and you're pretty much done. Unless you want to make a dipping sauce. I didn't make a dipping sauce, but these were delicious without, honestly, but that's really up to you. So I'm just going to be fancy and extra. I'm just gonna do a little display on some clamshells, add a little bit of lemon juice and a little bit of parsley, and ta-da! These are so good, you guys. These were so these were so good. So good. I ended up tasting it on camera for you guys. They were delicious. They look good, they taste good, they smell good. They're good. Okay, just trust me on it. Look at that. Look at the inside. Anywho, thanks so much for watching, guys. Comment down below if you like the video. Comment down below if you made the video. If you make these crab cakes, or at least try to make these crab cakes. Like the video and don't forget to subscribe, you guys. Okay, thank you so much for watching again, and have a great day. See you in the next video. Bye.
I'm Monday. Today I'm making a vegan crab cake recipe. Easy vegan crab cake recipe. Easy vegan crab cake. Ready?
You don't even know. So I'm just saying.
Welcome to the channel.
Okay, I'm not gonna
Your
say
name.
that. Okay. Welcome back to the emngee channel. I'm Monday, and in today's video, I'm gonna be making an easy vegan crab cake recipe for you guys. So, cue the music.
Tell them what we got going on.
Say to this camera. Tell them what you gotta color it
Come
out.
on, do it well before we lose memory.
Draw though. Don't.